How to use Deepseek to generate reports. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Deepseek to generate a comprehensive and well-structured report in minutes. Whether it's for a business summary, a project update, or research on anything, let me show you how it is done. Deepseek can generate virtually any types of report when you provide the right framework. So here let's take a use case. Imagine that you need to create a quarterly marketing report and you only have the raw data, which may be something like website traffic, conversion rate, or campaign results. But you don't have the time or the energy to do it manually. So you can write in a prompt which is detailed and tells Deepseek exactly what it needs to do. So here, as you can see, the first thing that I told Deepseek is to act as a professional marketing analyst. Any type of report that you're trying to generate, whether it's a business report or any casual reports, you can first ask the AI to act as someone for a better understanding. Once you do that, you can type in the data that you have in order to create the comprehensive report, as well as few other indicators or the summaries that you may need. Lastly, you can also ask for a tone, whatever tone that you need. If you need a professional tone, you can say use a professional or a data-driven tone and then hit enter. So as you can see, with this single prompt, Deepseek will generate a complete, well-structured report with all of the essential sections. It will analyze the data, highlight the important trends, identify both successes and challenges as well. Now, if you don't like the first draft that it has created, you can always iterate or reprompt to generate a better version. So this is just an example. Whatever type of report that you may have, you can customize in your own way. So that's basically the video. That was the video about the way that you generate reports using Deepseek. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.